I think it's quite fast over.
Oh.
Okay, it's really slow. It's going. It's like 1 millimeter bent. No nyt menee.
Ui. Oh.
It's
It
sort
slipped.
5 there. Let's see. I think it's like it's a bit odd shape to be crushed.
Ah, yeah.
I go place it again.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, I say it got twisted.
Yeah.
It's not straight anymore. So it's like, I think it's different. Yeah, it's definitely twisted. Yeah, it's going.
Oh,
Holy shit!
Oh.
That came fast. Ooh, much harder. Oh, 130. Oh my god. It's coming straight at us. I don't want to be here. Did it hit the window?
It hit the window. Oh, and the and the things from the roof went
Yeah. Doesn't look cool. What the hell?
Holy shit!
Look at that. There is like a.
Yeah. The dent is a shape of a hammer. Oh no.
I think we have seen enough. Okay, that's 100. Ah, terrifying. Oh!
Yeah. Wow.
I think it was because the surfaces, they weren't machined flat. There was like interesting shape. I think it made it like crack first, slightly, and then explode.
Yeah. Now it's like a pile of dust.
Yeah, and now I'm going to put my respirator on. Yeah, it's like it's like snow.
Yeah.
We are pretty goddamn good. It was 4.5.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. You can see the clue. No,
Five.
5.5. But we were both still really good.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it looks pretty nice, but what was the result? Only 6.5 tons. But it might be because we had like really shiny and like sanded down surfaces, so they were probably like more slidey than your typical like machined parts.
What was that?
The whole press is shaking like. Now it's already pretty weak when it's like.
Okay.
Okay, I think we are ready here. The press frame bends quite much. Much higher chance of explosion. I feel explosion in the air.
Okay, you feel that in your arse.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
I think something went through the lamp.
Yeah.
A lot of things went through the lamp. It got like shotgun blast. Nothing went through the cameras, which is nice.
Okay, they were this sharp. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh,
Vittu.
oh fuck! But we broke. Was
No, it's only the audio handle. No.
Oli se.
Oh fuck.
Just a flesh wound.
I think I disagree.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, it's working.
Let's hope that the memory card is still alive.
Let's have a short break. Okay, this video title just changed. This is Sony FX3 durability test. And so far it's mixed bag. The camera is still working and recording, so that's great. But I have to say that the
Frame.
like card reader number 2, it's weak point. But luckily they knew at the factory that this is the weak point, so they put the spare one here. This doesn't work, but this works. Also the frame is like slightly broken. And also I have to say that the small rig is this aluminum or magnesium, like the gauge. This is not good, it's weaker than the camera. Hand loose, too tight, too tight, hand loose, tight. And this is hard bolt. So you can see all kinds of bolts there. This is going to break first. It's going to fly so fast. It was still about as strong as it usually is. So I think it's like tightening the bolts. It's about keeping them tight,
Yeah.
not making them any stronger.